beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to have you here again today. This is Pakatel Wellness TV, where we bring a wide range of tips on wellness, how to keep well, how to stay well, how to keep fit, how to take care of your skin, your hair, and even up to your business. If you've not yet subscribed, please click on the red subscribe button to the bottom right of this screen, and also take time out to watch other videos and like them. Click on the thumbs up if you like what I'm bringing you. Don't forget to comment, tell me what you think, tell me what else you would want me to share. Now today I'm going to be bringing you 4 very basic and simple tips on how to lose weight. Now sometimes some people may wonder, do I have to lose weight? Is it that bad? Being overweight can be detrimental to your health. Being overweight does not necessarily mean that you're overly fat. Sometimes you're not as fat as what you would consider to be overweight, but you may be overweight and you may need to watch it. If you're a little on the big side and you find yourself having difficulty breathing, you may want to check it as well. Being overweight has some disadvantages. Some of them could be heart disease, diabetes, fatty liver, sleep apnea, and so many other disadvantages. I often encourage people to do their research. I do my research. I'm not a doctor, but I do my research and I make my observation, and really these are true. They are scientifically proven and they are true. So I would encourage you to find out, how do you know if you're overweight? If you are overweight or you're not sure, there is a way to know. Calculate your BMI, that's body mass index. Now, while there are some websites that have BMI calculators that you can just input your statistics and then it gives you your BMI, you can also do it manually. The formula for calculating your BMI is simply calculating your body weight in kilograms. That means you have to weigh yourself, and your height in meters square. Now with your body weight in kilograms divided by your height in meters square, the answer you get is your body mass index. Now after getting this answer, how do you then know if it is normal, over or under? The healthy range for a normal body weight is between 18.5 and 24.9. Now science has it that if you have a body mass index of over 25.0, you're overweight. But of course, if you're 25.123 or you're 26, it might not be anything to worry about. But if you are of a BMI of, let's say, over 26, 27, 28, some 30, some even 50, then you know that there's cause for alarm. At that, you may want to lose some weight. Now, I'm not asking you to go all skinny if you don't want to. You can actually have a healthy weight and less health problems. After knowing your BMI, your body mass index, how do you start this journey of losing weight? My 4 tips here are: number 1, trekking. That means walking for a long time, walking long and walking hard. Walk, W-A-L-K. I've noticed that many people who are overweight or who are on the big side find it difficult walking. They would rather drive from point A to point B, no matter how short the distance is, or they would take transportation. I personally like walking. I think it's healthy, I think it's energizing. This is a very healthy routine. Walking every day would keep you healthy, trust me. You can start by taking a 20-minute walk. Go for 10 minutes and return for 10 minutes. If you don't know how to time that, you could actually use a stopwatch on your device, maybe your phone, and set it at 10 minutes, set off, and once your alarm goes, turn around and come back. Now of course, that is just a starter. For some that may be even too much, but I think it's a good start. Just walk for 10 minutes and then return for 10 minutes. You've done 20 minutes walk. For me, I do 30 to 40 minutes walk almost every day. I go for 15 to 20 minutes and then I return for 15 to 20 minutes, which makes it 30 to 40 minutes. What that trek does for you is it energizes your heart. It's a cardiovascular exercise. After this walk, if you've not been keeping fit, you may feel some trembling in your hands and in your legs. You may even feel the blood rushing through your veins. If it feels uncomfortable the first day, don't be alarmed, okay? Just come back, have a shower and rest. Continue doing this for every day or every other day, at least 3 times in a week. Take this walk. After a week or 2 weeks, you may notice that you don't feel that tired anymore. You are now feeling better and stronger. You can now increase it to having 15 minutes, 2 and 15 minutes, throw that a total of 30 minutes. A healthy trek should be around 30 minutes in total. Trekking is one sure way to lose weight. Trust me, if you trek like this for another 1 month, you will lose weight. Now, our number 2 tip on how to lose weight is dance. Dance, aerobics, exercise. Now, I say dance because dancing is a form of exercise. It's easier for a lot of people than having to go to the gym and all of that. I mean, you can just stay in your living room or bedroom and put on the music and start to dance. Dance with energy such that you begin to sweat. In the sweating, you burn fat and you begin to lose weight. Dance your way to wellness. All right, so dancing not only helps you to lose weight, it helps you to keep fit as well, okay? Because it's also a cardio exercise. It's good for your heart. Your heart pumps better, pumps blood around your body better, okay? So dancing, aerobics and all will definitely help you shed some weight. You could choose to dance every day, 2 days, 3 days, at least 3 times in a week. You should dance. Do a 20 to 30 minutes or even 15 minutes dance workout. Jump around, wave your arms and everything. You can actually do some of the exercises that you see in my other fitness videos. Just do the warm-ups, okay? That's also a form of aerobics, dance and all. So if you do that for the next 15 minutes, you notice that you're sweating a lot. For the next 30 minutes, you notice that you're sweating a lot. This is good for your heart and it helps you lose some weight. Our number 3 tip on how to lose weight is fast. I'm sure people say, yes, I knew it, I have to keep off food. When I say fast, I don't mean don't eat or don't drink for the next couple of days or something. You could do a water fast, which is drinking water throughout the day without eating any food, just water. This helps to cleanse your body on the inside. That's what water does. It flushes out all the residue food in your body. It's recommended that you drink 8 glasses in a day. You could make yours 9 throughout the day because you're on a water fast. Another type of fast that you can do is a tea fast. This is when you go on teas through the day, no food whatsoever, okay? You're just taking your teas. Now, my number 1 tea for this would be green tea. It detoxifies your system. It clears your system of all the toxins, free radicals and all. So you could do your green tea, you could do your lemon tea, nice and warm. And of course, in between, you could also do your water, okay? That's for your tea fast. Now, another kind of fast that you can do is your fruit fast. Take your cashews, your mangoes, your apples, pineapples, watermelon, and so on. But you may want to stay off bananas and avocados because these are fruits that people incorporate into their diet when they are trying to gain weight. So you may want to keep this out for now, okay? So just do the other fruits that you enjoy and take it throughout the day with, of course, your water. You should continue to take water. So now another type of fast that you can do is your vegetable fast. Gather the vegetables you like, keep them colorful, do the reds, the yellows, the orange, and the greens, of course. So these are the different types of fasts that you can do to help you shed some weight. Now, it's important that you fast from time to time, okay? You can fast once a week, twice a week, and that should do. Now, number 4 tip to losing weight is eat. Yes, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen, okay? Why eat? I thought we're supposed to stay off food and all. Yes. However, it's important that you don't give yourself ulcers, okay? So you would want to eat as well as do every other thing. But this is how you can eat and still lose that weight that you want to lose. Now, the first way to eating your way to losing weight is eat twice in a day, 2 times in the day. In the morning, breakfast, and in the evening, dinner. Another thing is don't eat later than 7. Your dinner should be by 6 or 7. Anything after should be water or you snack on fruits or vegetables, preferably your cucumber and your carrot. Now, for breakfast, I would recommend that you do oats and eggs. Prepare your oatmeal and boil your eggs. I'll also recommend that you do 1 to 2 eggs. Don't do more than 2 eggs. And then you could also take out the yolk of the second egg and eat just 2 whites and 1 yolk. Now, for your oatmeal, I'd rather you do honey and then your low-fat milk. Now, in between, when you get hungry, you get peckish, the best thing to do is snack on fruits and vegetables. But like I said earlier on, stay off bananas and stay off avocados for now. You could take them once in a while if they're your favorite fruits, but it's best to just do the other fruits because bananas and avocados are usually a part of the weight gain diet or the weight gain routine, okay? So you want to do your other fruits, snack on vegetables, and you should be fine. Of course, as you do this, take a lot of water. Now, for your dinner, I recommend a veggies or a vegan dinner. Okay, do your salads, throw in some cabbage, some carrots, some lettuce, some bell peppers, some parsley, you know, any vegetable that you think you can add, you can make a salad with. Throw them all in. Let it be colorful. Okay, throw in the reds, the yellows, the orange colors of vegetables, and of course your green vegetables. Okay, throw them all in, toss them, sprinkle a little bit of lemon or lime on it, and you have yourself a very nice vegetable dinner. Okay, you can also throw in some berries, and then you have yourself a very healthy balance of meals within the day. Okay, so you can do this for the next 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, and I assure that you will see a change. All right, I know that it could get boring doing oats and eggs every morning, but you can actually get adventurous with it. Okay, do something else, like do beans, any kind of beans meal, you know. Okay, for some parts of the world you could do moi moi and things like that, and then in some other parts of the world you could do your full. Okay, that's another beans meal in the Arab parts of the world. So you could do any beans meal that you know. Now that's going to give you your protein, it's going to give you some carbs as well, and of course you can incorporate some vegetables in it, okay, to make it rich and all. So get busy experimenting, get adventurous. All you need to do is just cut down your carbs and all. Eat your 2 meals, basic protein and fiber breakfast, and then your vegan dinner. Okay, and then in between just do your fruits, and remember to drink a lot of water, tons of water. Okay, that should keep hydrated so that you don't say, oh, I feel so woozy, I want to faint. No. So those are my 4 tips to losing weight in a healthy way, easy way. And if at the end of the day you have noticed some difference, maybe you checked your weight on the scale, it has dropped, your clothes no longer fit, you know, they're now loose on you, do hit me up on the comment section, tell me about it, and I'll be happy to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching till the end. Remember to click on the like button if you like what I'm bringing you, and please click on the red subscribe button at the bottom right of this screen. So till I come your way again, keep keeping fit and keep keeping well. God bless you.